In this video, we will talk about Trezor firmware and how to update it on your Trezor device. Since Trezor is a simple device, its firmware acts as a complete operating system. Trezor firmware is a key component of device security and is also responsible for all of its basic and advanced features. Updating the device firmware is necessary to expand the functionality of your Trezor, apply new security measures, and enable newly developed features. It is recommended to keep your devices updated with the latest firmware version. Updating the firmware is the only way to counter some of the known security exploits. All Trezor devices come without firmware installed to ensure that the latest firmware is installed when the device is delivered. Installing firmware is the first step when setting up your Trezor. A pre-installed program called the bootloader verifies the signature of the firmware, ensuring you are installing only the official firmware. Make sure you have a stable USB and internet connection to prevent any connection issues. When a new firmware version is released, Trezor Suite will display a notification along the top of the interface. To update the device firmware, simply click on Update Now and follow the on-screen and on-device instructions. Before proceeding with any firmware update, make sure your recovery seed is available and within reach. If something goes wrong during the update, it could erase the Trezor device memory, so having your recovery seed ready lets you immediately recover your wallet. Verify your seed is correct at any time by performing a dry run recovery. See the links in the description below. Bitcoin-only firmware is a special version of the Trezor firmware which only facilitates Bitcoin operations. Running the Bitcoin-only firmware is optional and requires the user to install it manually. Once it is loaded on the device, Trezor Suite will restrict the selection of available cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin-only firmware is the easiest way to declutter your Trezor and focus on what matters to you. Please note that features like 2FA and FIDO2 are not available when using Bitcoin-only firmware. You can now install Bitcoin-only firmware directly from Trezor Suite, making it quick and easy to change. To set up Bitcoin firmware, open Trezor Suite and go to Device Settings. Scroll down to the Firmware section, and click the button Switch to Bitcoin. You can run your own, custom-built firmware on your device. This is a highly advanced functionality meant for developers. This feature can also be used for downgrading. To learn more, follow the links in the description. Hopefully, this video helped you to understand Trezor firmware and how to update your device. Thanks for watching.